Welcome everyone to Fred Howard Park here in Tarpon Springs, Florida. Today we are checking out the trails as well as the beach that is here as well. It's going to be a beautiful day. Thankfully the rain is not here right now. We are just going to get started here in a moment. Thank you guys for watching this, and if you guys know anything about this park or the Greek heritage, or if you are part of this, if you grew up here, leave your comments below and let's have a good time. Let's go walk. All right, now let's go on a little walk here up to the Causeway. I'm gonna go through the trail here. Starting at Pavilion 1 and then walking all the way to the Causeway. Let's go through here. Oh, look at that. I'm coming up on a blast from the past here. The spider web. I can't believe they still have the spider web. This was like the most fun thing when I was a kid to climb up on. Nobody's even around, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a close-up of this. But if you guys remember this, let me know, because I sure do. I remember climbing this when I was a kid. Man, that is crazy how cool that nothing's changed with that. But yeah, that was so much fun when I was a kid. And if you guys want to do some softballing, you can out here as well. Again, this is Pavilion 1 as soon as you come into the park. Got a little picnic table out here too. Got a swing set. Please supervise your children on the playground for ages 5 through 12, which it's just a swing set, so I'm pretty sure anybody can actually swing on these. Oh. I spy something with my little eye over here. We got some water action over here. Looks like a little inlet that you could possibly come in with a canoe and go out with your canoe out here. Do some horseshoes over there. Always fun. That's a big, nice horseshoe setup over here on both sides. Let's go. The thing I don't like is there are snakes that could possibly be under that. So this is as close as I'm going to get. Okay. Little birds crossing over here. And this is where we started our adventure today. As I said before, because I am a Florida native, watch for wildlife. This park provides habitat for native Florida species, which may include potentially harmful animals such as alligators, venomous snakes, and coyotes. For your safety, never leave children unsupervised. Keep pets leashed at all times and away from bodies of water. It's also illegal to feed, molest, or harm wild animals. Keep your distance from wildlife. Immediately leave an area if animals show signs of aggressive behavior. Avoid thick brush and fields. Keep on trails and in mowed areas where possible. And appreciate wildlife from a safe distance. Hello. We are coming up to the Causeway now. Let's see what's on the board over here. Recycle your line or discard it in trash containers. Before you go in the water, check high-low tide times. Nothing too... Scalloping is prohibited in Pinellas County. This is why a lot of people go to Pasco, and right now, because of the tide, that is also suspended for right now, unless you're watching this and it's not. But as the time of recording this, that is the case. So let's keep walking up here. So it is $5 to park at the beach. If you don't want to go to the beach, you don't have to pay to park. But it is $5 to park when you're at the beach or on the Causeway. Wanted to start over here, so this way I can show you guys that you guys can rent some kayaks out here. And I'm going to go ahead and take these off. Hold on to them. Okay. And we're just going to walk around and see what we can find. Got some seagulls out here. Got some people on paddle boards as well. There's some crabs out here as well. We gotta be careful where you're walking. Oh yeah, they're all hiding. They're all going into their holes here. One thing I like about this beach is you can literally walk around this little island here. More people out here than I thought there would be. Just trying to get here earlier, but that's what it is.
Just between a good elevator shirt, a good Doritos shirt, I just need some new. Yeah. And I already told Candy to play. We have something.
I wrong? Can you not walk around this anywhere? We'll find out when we get to the edge over here. I'm curious. Let's see if I can't just walk around here. Just gotta be careful where you're walking. You might not be able to get around here. Some deep areas here. Try not to get too. And we're getting over to the other side here. There we go. Now we're getting to the main beach. Okay. It's kind of tricky getting through there a little bit. There's some thunder boomers now. Sure is a nice day out here though. Seagulls, more seagulls. This is a smaller beach than your normal Pinellas beaches. So we're kind of just walking around here. And then we're going to be doing more of the trails too, just to show you guys more of this park area. Lifeguards are on duty. Good. Busy enough for lifeguards to be out here, I guess. Sometimes they're not out here.
Don't beat him, Slater.
go up here. So I'm marching through the water again. Trick is getting back down there. Seems like it's a little easier to cross over here. Nice and peaceful and quiet over here.
Thank you.
Any luck yet?
Hi there. Nah, kind of slow.
Just like the rest of today. Have a good day, guys.
Thanks, you too.
Coming up to the other side.
Aquí está bien.
So yeah, as you guys can see, that's the Causeway over there. So you can park there, but again, that is paid parking as well. Not exactly a fan of the paid parking, but it is what it is. And then over here you got that dry marsh area, so I'm going to put my shoes back on now. And we'll get back to the car. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the Fred Howard Beach here. Jeez. More slip and slide here. Jeez, crow, okay. And more slip and slide over here, so let's go over here. Try to avoid as much of the slippity slide stuff as possible here. Oh, mercy. Goodness gracious, that almost took my shoe. Whew, good thing. Alright, now we're up here again. Okay. This park is city run, so this will close around sunset. Depending on what time of year you get here, it'll be sunset is the closing time. So, just so you guys know that. And then we have crossing and that, my friends, is Howard Beach. I'm going to show you guys over at the front is bathrooms, and the lifeguard stand is right next to the bathrooms as well. And if you guys are hungry or need some ices to cool off, we have Kona ice out here as well. They even have a beach access mat here. So if you have a wheelchair or are disabled, you can do that as well. It's nice that they do have that here. Coming up on another bathroom here. All right, y'all, that does it here. We are in Paradise and Pinellas. This has been Fred Howard Park here in Tarpon Springs, Florida. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and also leave a comment in the description below. If you'd like to check this out, come out. It's open 7 days a week. There's only a few select holidays where this is closed, I believe. It's even open on Christmas Day. I was out here. It was kind of cold that day, but we were out here on Christmas Day one time with my uncle in Colorado. It was a great time. Today was a great time. I am a little hot. Going to be filming another location after this. Hope you guys enjoy today and hope you guys have a great day. I am Steven. This is Paradise and Pinellas. Have a great day.